Here's the donuts, deliciousness, and here's the workers. James is up there working on the roof, putting more of the shaker style siding on. We got Dalton here, we got John here, we got Donald Duck here, and Darren. Hi Darren, I brought donuts.
Court, come on over here. Come on over here and see us.
We are making progress. Just a little bit left to go. Just underneath this window, and then that section there, and then it'll be done. Because that. There are lots of projects going on today, and I love it. We are working on the wraps for the posts for the wraparound porch, and they're also working up on the J-channel and the siding on the second floor of the house. It is really coming together quickly now, like really fast. We've had more progress in the past few days than I feel like we've had the last couple of months, but it's looking really, really good. Got all the porch posts on this side of the house wrapped. All right, I'm gonna have Uncle B explain how we have been putting this wrap on the porch. So they start by putting the two outside pieces on, which you can see is this. So those are this corner and that corner that they put together. That's what they start with. Okay, and then.
So there's teeth on the inside of this.
Yep.
And then there's teeth on the opposite side. And they slide together and interlock.
And then that's how it holds it in place.
And that's how it holds it in place.
So then when you're putting this corner in, this is what's hard to get it started. You have to line up perfectly this corner and slide it in, one on each side. It's hard, it gets blurry when I get close. And then same thing on that corner. You got them both slid in? Yep. Nope, that one's not in. That's the hard part. Okay, now it's in. Once you get it started, then you get these clamps, and you just start forcing it together, a little bit at a time. And you just keep rotating your sides. One side, then the other side, then the other side. Look.
No, better do.
James and Darren are putting the siding up on this side of the house, and it looks fantastic.
We are. I love this color choice.
Thank you. I really like it.
I've got a flag I'm going to buy for you that's got a match.
Don't you dare buy me a UK flag. That side is done.
Yep.
Now they are starting to work on that side of the house. Well, I just did it again. For the third time this week, I drove an hour and a half one way to pick up Jade Channel for the siding at our house. This is the last time I will ever make a mistake, hopefully, when ordering stuff for this house. I have wasted so much time driving 3 hours on 3 separate days to get this stupid supplies for a house. But it's done, and now progress can take place, so there's that. So many people have asked us how we do laundry with our living situation because obviously campers don't have laundry rooms. So this is what we do. It's in our barn. So I'm in the tobacco barn right now. And James put our old washer and dryer from our old house out here in the barn. Here it is behind me. Now there's an actual water spigot in the barn on the other side of the barn. So I have to come out, turn the water spigot on, and then turn the washer on. But then I can do laundry and run the dryer out here. So this is where I do all of our clothes. And yeah, that's about it. So we're gonna do some laundry now. Here we go. So over here on the other side of the barn, this is where the water spigot is underneath this silver thing. This is like an insulated thing that James wrapped around it to keep the pipes from freezing. And then he put this like black shirt over top. So in there, you can see there's our water spigot. And this black stuff that's wrapped around it is heat tape to keep the pipes from freezing. And then also with this insulated thing, and then with this shirt that we put on top of it to keep the heat from rising out of it, that keeps the pipes from freezing so we can do our laundry. Even though we have all that in place though, one time our pipes did freeze and the Levi sees the kitty cat. Anyway, one time the pipes did freeze over and the washer froze and we could not do laundry. So it did happen once, but oh well. It is a nasty rainy day. It has been raining all day nonstop. It's really lightened up. It's still raining constantly, but it's not raining near as hard now as it was earlier. But James and his dad, bless their hearts, have been over here on this Sunday working their butts off to get this house done. So I'm gonna show you the progress. It looks amazing. All of the house has siding except for the back. And the garage, of course. Look, they got the siding over here done yesterday while I was at work. It looks so good. They worked all morning on the siding and now they're putting up the railing. The front of this house looks amazing. Happy New Year from the camper. One kid passed out here. And one kid passed out here. Good morning. Say hi.
Hi.
It's New Year's Day, so obviously we're off work and we are working on the house today. James has been over at the house for a few hours, so we're heading over to see what he's doing. It's a little bit chilly, but it's not too terrible outside because the sun is shining. So Happy New Year's, everyone. Let's go see what James is doing on it. It's a beautiful sunny day. The railing on the house is looking excellent. It is an absolute disaster out here from all the trash and extra supplies we have all over the place. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh God. What are you working on?
Trying to get some siding done.
Trying to get some siding done. Oh, that looks good. Hi, Uncle Darren. Good. That's the weirdest piece of siding I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah.
it. I'm sunbathing on the roof, fully clothed. It's comfy. He's playing shy because he hasn't been feeling well. But we're gonna go eat and then we'll come back later to check on the progress that the guys are making. He is having so much fun. We had the John Deere Gator over at the house and it died like a month ago and it's been over there ever since. That's fine. And we finally brought it back over to the camper and charged it, so he is having a blast driving this around today. Elias, what do you have in the back of your John Deere Gator?
Hay and toys.
And who's the hay for?
For Tiger Lily.
For Tiger Lily, that's right. Here's our girl.
Hay in it.
Good job, Elias. Do you like your new poop shovel? It's awesome. Very proud of you. You are very strong. That's okay. Keep trying. You'll get better. He's doing his chores. We just fed Tiger Lily. Now we're cleaning out the horse pasture. And then next, we are going to go and take care of the chickens. Now we have the horse poop in the back of the trailer and we're gonna go dump it in the compost pile. Let's go. Excellent job, let's dump it.
I did it.
Good job, now pick up the bucket, it'll all fall out. Look at that kitty cat. Elias, I think Minnie Cow likes you.
I'll call her
Nitty Cow. So we got a cat. We don't know where the cat came from. It just showed up. I think it's just a stray, but it's pretty friendly. So we started feeding it because it ate our deer guts one day. And ever since it ate our deer guts, it never left. So anyway, Elias named it.
Minnie Cow. Minnie Cow, kitty there.
Elias named it Minnie Cow, so it's Minnie Cow. I think because it looks like a small cow. James, what are you going to work on over at the house after lunch?
Siding the chimney and
Are you nervous? I'm nervous for you. You're going to be just fine.
we side from the bottom up. So we'll start low, work our way to the top.
Okay. Just be careful.
Okay.
James and Uncle Darren are on the roof. They're getting ready to put the siding on the chimney. They're putting the white corner pieces up right now. And Mr. Levi is over here waddling around. Hi, Levi! They got this side of the back part of the house done. This is above the kitchen. There's a fireplace, then they got the other side done as well. I'll show you that now. It's slippery. And this side of the back part of the house is done now. That looks magnificent, Darren. Yay us.
Yeah, y'all try.
Hi, babe. Pop.